Hey guys, so today I'll be talking about the LeetCode problem rotate image, which is basically a n by n 2D matrix which has to be rotated clockwise by 90 degrees. Also, as the problem states that we have to do it in place without using any extra memory. So basically I've drawn the matrix just for convenience. So the idea is like we have to rotate this by 90 degrees so that it looks like this. And now there like we have to use some kind of pointer method in order to keep track of what element we are considering, and we have to interchange all those elements at their specific pointers. So at any instance, let's say we take this one, this one, this one, and this one. We need to, so basically when rotating, this will come here, this element will come here, this will come here, and this element will come here. So at any instance we need to keep track of 4 elements. So what we can do is like we take a top row tr, we have to take a bottom row, let's say down row, and then actually there's nothing called down bottom row. Then we have the leftmost column LC and the rightmost column. So at any instance we can pinpoint elements by each of these 4 coordinates. So coming back to this code, so first we will take this element, we'll store it in a, let's say, a temporary variable. Then so basically this will be top row and the column, then interchange it, we have to take this, then in that space we will take the actually, you know what, let me just write the code, maybe it will be easier to understand in the instance by that. So let's say we take the length, which is n, to be matrix dot length, and let row 1 equal to 0, row 2 equal to n minus 1, column 1 equal to 0, column 2 equal to n minus 1, and we have to do this while r1 is less than math.floor n by 2. And at each iteration what we have to do, so basically first we will tackle this row, this box, then after that we will tackle this box. So for each row index we will iterate the column till iterate the left column till we get to the rightmost column. So for let I equal to c1, I plus c1 less than c2, I plus plus, we'll iterate that, and we will take this one into account so that we can interchange this one. So this will be the element of the top row and the current iteration of the from the leftmost column. So it will be the element at the top row, that will be r1, and the current iteration then in that place, like in this element's place, we have to interchange this with this element. So this will be the so like if we go by here, this will be, let's say, okay, the bottom row. So if we come here, let's see, analyze this. If we go here, this will be interchanged by this one and this one. So this will be the bottom row minus the current iteration. So this will be interchanged by matrix R1 I will be interchanged by the matrix R2. Actually what this will be 0. This will be starting from 0 because we are adding this to C1 and then calculating it. So this will be R2 minus I, and the column will be the leftmost column, because the column will be fixed, only the row will be updated. So for this it will be interchanged by this. So basically we are changing the row, and in this case we are just changing the column. So it will be this, and this will be replaced 2 minus I C1. This element, actually let's just clear this out. Okay, it's too big. Okay, never mind. So basically, okay, so this element will be replaced by element at here. So this will come here basically. So this element will be the so basically when we iterate here, this thing will be the element at the bottom row, negative, and the column will be the rightmost column, minus. So this will iterate here, element along this position, and element along this position will be iterating in this direction. So it will be the bottommost row, and the column will be the decremented column. So this will be the bottommost row and the decremented column, and this will be replaced by, so this was R2 C2 minus I. So this will be replaced by, so this is going in this direction, the elements along this will go in this direction. So it will be the same column, but the row will be decreasing, right? So it will be the basically the topmost row. Actually the row will be increasing because we are going down, and column will be the rightmost column, and the element at this position will be replaced by the temp. And after this we have to increment the topmost row, decrement the bottommost row, increment the topmost leftmost column, and decrement the rightmost column. and at the end we have to return this matrix. So let's see, fingers crossed. Okay, pass. Let's submit it. Hope it will be okay. Okay, it's wrong answer. Let's see. Okay, I think that no, the mistake that I did here was like this should not be I, but this should be c1 plus I, because we are iterating from the leftmost column. Similarly, this will be c1 plus I. Let's see. Okay, let's submit this. Okay, passed. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there are any doubts, you can just always go back to any part of the video you like and try to understand once more. So basically, at every instance we are taking into account 4 positional elements, and we are interchanging the positions among them, and on completed each cycle we are incrementing or decrementing the corresponding pointers. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please do share and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.